What's up guys? Welcome back. Chris here with Absolute Guitar for Beginners. So in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play the cage system. So if you're new here, please definitely consider subscribing. I know your time is valuable, so let's just get started. Okay, what is the cage system? So the cage system is, what it does, it spells out the word caged using chords. I'll start with C major for an example. So here's a C major C pattern. That's a C major chord. And if you don't know how to play that, I'll show you how to play that. You put your third finger on the third fret of the fifth string or A string, then your second finger right below it on the second fret D string, then open string, and then first fret second string or B string. So it looks like this. And that's the first letter of the word caged. So now what you do is you play the C-shaped A pattern. What you do is, where your third finger is, put your first finger there, third on the A string, and then bar the 4, 3, and 2 on the fifth fret of those three strings. So now that's the A shape of the C major chord. So you have C-shaped pattern with the C major chord, and then the A shape pattern with the C major chord. So this is the 5 shapes I'll show before I show you the other 3. That's the C shape. This would be the A shape. Here's the G shape. Here's the E shape. And this is the D shape. So now I just showed you 2 of the shapes, the C shape pattern and the A shape pattern. So now I'm going to show you the G shape pattern. This one's a difficult one to play. So this one may take you a little time to learn. It's the C major G shape. So you have 6th string, 3rd finger, 8th fret. Then you have 5th string, 2nd finger, 7th fret. Then you bar the 4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd string on the 5th fret. And then your pinky plays the 8th fret on the high E string. So it sounds like this. If you don't know your 6th string bar chords, I'll tell you the frets to play. So it would be 8th fret on the 6th string, 10th fret on the A string, and then 10th fret on the D string, then 9th fret on the G string, and then 8th fret on the B and E string. So you got 8th fret on the E, 10th fret and 10th fret on the A and D string, 9th fret on the G string, and 8th fret on the B and E string. And that's the C major E shape chord. So now we got C, A, G, E, C, A, G, E, for the C major D shape would be 10th fret with your first finger on the D string, then your second finger, 12th fret on the G string, then with your pinky be the 13th fret on the B string, then your third finger will be the 12th fret on the high E string. So it looks like this. Here's the D shape. C shape, A shape, G shape, E shape, and D shape pattern. It's not only good for just rhythm, it's also good for playing leads too. And you can also get around easier knowing those shapes. So that was just a little introduction, short little video of how to play the cage system. I hope that helped you out, and I hope this was valuable for you. And if it was, make sure you comment below this video. And make sure you also like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.